In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a new software called SmartStores. It's launching today in a special discounted launch offer. I think it's just $17 for launch. Now with SmartStores, what you can do, you can launch multiple or even unlimited affiliate stores, and you can just keep churning them out and then just wait for the affiliate commissions to come in. It's a very simple system to use, and it uses the major affiliate platforms such as including WarriorPlus, JVZoo, Amazon, eBay, and Clickbank. So what you do, you can leave the sites on autopilot. It will bring in the products, it will add your own affiliate links, it will code them to the images and to the links, and you can just drive traffic to these affiliate stores, and you can make some very tasty affiliate commissions. Now you can leave the system to run on autopilot so you can bring in new products and so on, or you can do it all manually. This is the sales page. You don't need skills, you don't need experience, you just need to have affiliate accounts with all of these different platforms, as many as you or as little as you want. And you can just bring in the products and let the system make money for you. Everything you need is included in this package. Also, the first 100 buyers get some exclusive bonuses and freebies. So I jump on it straight away. Now there's plenty of testimonials, images, so you can read all these. Go to the link below and you'll see what you go through this slowly. I'm just going to whiz through it quickly. The bits I want to show you. It's a bit further down. Okay, so here we go. So why you must choose this now. It's a one-click automated affiliate store system. So you can get the hottest, latest products, put them online and drive traffic to them and just make the affiliate commissions. You get one-click instant free buyer traffic from 100 proven sources. You get tutorials and videos. You don't need technical skills, no hosting, no domains, no websites. Everything's included. There's no complex setup and price is rising. So if you want to buy it, I suggest you grab it now. This is now the best possible price it's ever going to be. Okay, and it covers these. It includes these platforms: WarriorPlus, Clickbank, JVZoo, Amazon, eBay. Quickly populate your store. You can deliver all of these products instantly. Now, these are some of the bonuses that you get for buying quickly. And let me see. There's quite a lot on this page. Excuse me. Okay, it works for anyone. Let me just get to the main features. 1 second. These are the fast acting bonuses. 1 second. It's a very long sales page. And you can of course get a 30-day full money back guarantee. Okay, here we go. So you get the actual software, you get the video tutorials, you get free traffic from 100 proven sources, SmartStores results multiplier, 4K a day system video course, wealth machines, Amazon to eBay system, and quick start bonus, commercial license, and email and SMS marketing. Okay, so right now it's $17. Is that the end of the page? Okay, you can read a bit more there. And you can read the FAQ at the end there, just tells you some little tips and so on. So this is a pretty incredible product, and only $17. You can make unlimited sites. There are some OTOs, I'll put them in the description below. But just the first two, the unlimited and the front end, will probably be enough for most people. So if you buy it via my link, I've got these special bonuses for you. So I've got a solopreneurs, solo entrepreneurs, full ebook and video course. So it teaches you about tax, about how to run your business, how to maintain your business, keep records, all that stuff. That's a full ebook and a video course. I've got Freedom Online business video course. I've got affiliate marketing success even ebook. Traffic handbooks, how to drive even more traffic to your sites, and a smart CPA video course. And also, the vendor has kindly included a whole load of extra bonuses. All the links are below, so I can't show you the full descriptions. But you get this easy eCash, secret page, Amazon to eBay, the internet retirement system, 4K in a day, paid traffic, and you can read the rest. But there's quite a lot in this. So in the next part of the video, I'm just going to show you a little demo and a bit of a sales video. So again, if you want to buy it, you want to grab it at the lowest possible price, the link is below. Buy it right now.
Did you know that over $4.2 trillion were spent online last year? It's true. Online sales were higher than they've ever been before, and it's predicted that they'll continue to grow. Now imagine if there was an easy way for you to get in front of all that money being spent online. Imagine if you could grab your slice of the 4.2 trillion online shopping pie. The good news? You can. And it's easier than you ever thought possible. Introducing SmartStores, the world's fastest, easiest, and most powerful 2-click automated affiliate smart store builder. It lets you instantly launch a fully functioning affiliate store, chock full of the hottest offers online, and then send unlimited free buyer traffic to your store in just 37 seconds flat. It's a complete traffic and commission solution in one. Here's how it works. Step 1. Click the Add to Cart button below to grab your copy before the price increases. Step 2. Log in and activate your smart store with one click. Step 3. Blast your smart store to 100 free buyer traffic sources in just 37 seconds or less. There's no product creation, no SEO, no paid traffic. No complicated setup, no learning curve. Anyone, regardless of your experience, can get results with SmartStores. It's literally as easy as clicking a few buttons. Now, you may be wondering what this cutting-edge software costs. Has to be expensive, right? After all, this is a one-stop solution for success online. It would be more than fair for us to ask at least $197 a month. After all, with SmartStores, it would be easy to make that back. But since this is the special launch period, and we want everyone to succeed with SmartStores, we're not going to ask for $197 a month. We're not going to ask for $67 a month. Not even $47 a month. In fact, we're not going to ask for a monthly payment at all. When you act right now, you can access SmartStores with unlimited free traffic for a special, low one-time price, less than what you'd pay for a night at the movies. But that's not all. When you act right now, you'll also get 7 super gifts worth thousands of dollars absolutely free. You can see the details below. These bonuses were created to ensure SmartStores customers get amazing results as fast as possible. Plus, to make sure this is the absolute best offer we could make for you, we are removing all the risk with our outrageous 365-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If for some strange reason you don't get results with SmartStores, let us know, and we will promptly and courteously send your money back. No questions asked. But because of how well it's worked for us, and many other people just like you, we don't think you're going to ask for your money back. We honestly believe the day you activate your smart store will be one of the most productive and happiest days of your life. And almost immediately, you can begin generating real, life-changing results from the comfort of your own home, faster than you thought possible. All you have to do is click the button below and get your copy of SmartStores now. You literally have nothing to lose and so much to gain. But you'll need to hurry, because the price is going up very soon. So to lock in the best possible deal, you must act now. If you come back later, you will have to pay more. So why not get started now? Why put off success for another day? Click the button below to get started with your own smart store today.